In this video, we will discuss Giardia. Giardia lamblia, which causes the disease called as giardiosis, lambliasis, or traveler's diarrhea. And the predilection site for this Giardia lamblia is duodenum. The host include man and dog. When it comes to the morphology, trophozoite has a bilaterally symmetrical body and it is pear or furriform shape, and flat ventral surface and convex dorsal side is there, and there are two anterior nuclei will be there, and large sucking disc on ventral side is there. It helps in the adhesiveness. And this trophozoite stage looks like a monkey face which is looking towards a person, and a tennis racket without handle. Cysts are oval. There are 2 to 4 nuclei, and the dead trophozoites look like monkey face looking at you, and it also looks like a tennis racket without a handle. Here, this is the trophozoite which looks like the monkey face looking towards you, and this is the tennis racket without handle. When it comes to the life cycle is completed in the single host, and the infection in human is through the ingestion of the contaminated water and food containing the cyst, and those cysts pass through the stomach and exist to produce trophozoites in the duodenum, and those trophozoites firmly attach to the wall of the small intestine and feed by micropinocytosis, and those trophozoites multiply by longitudinal binary fission, leads to formation of two daughter trophozoites, and these two trophozoites encystment of trophozoites will occur in the colon, and from there cyst wall will form, and cysts are the infective stage of the parasite. They are passed out in the stool. Now let us come to the pathogenesis. Majority of the infection is symptomless, and in chronic case mechanical interference with the absorption, particularly absorption of fat, is inhibited, and there is malabsorption, and parasite damage the epithelial cells causing functional damage or dearrangement of the microvilli, and there is shortening of the villi and elongation of crypt of intestine. When it comes to the clinical signs, it include in man usually it is symptomless and with yellow steatoric diarrhea, which means fat filled diarrhea, and there is epigastric pain, early morning diarrhea, and urgency for defecation. These are the clinical symptoms, and sometimes ulcerative lesions in the upper part of the duodenum along with the numerous parasites. If parasite enters the gallbladder bile duct, it will give rise to cholecystitis and jaundice. In diagnosis, a microscopic examination of stool or teaturia reveals the cyst, and in acute diarrhea, trophozoite may be seen. Giardivax is the vaccine used for dog and cat. Thank you.